Building that vision board, I really want to set goals for myself, where I see myself at the end of the year, not just financially or living-wise, but making friends in the community, business growth as well. And I think networking goes hand in hand because we can all help each other and we're stronger together. I went back and looked at previous events, and I was so excited to see all of the previous photos and videos from the other events. It looked like such a fun time. I don't know why anybody wouldn't want to come to these events.
One highlight is the women who went up there and gave their stories and gave their dreams that came true. That's like a big motivation for us women, knowing that someone has been there, been through the stories that we probably are going through or coming out of, and that empowers us even more to just keep moving forward and seeing that we can do exactly what we envision to do.
It has been such a pleasure being here at the Women's on the Rise Orlando Vision Board Party. It's been a full day of just really honing in and getting clear on what we want 2022 to look like, being intentional, and I personally was invited to be one of the speakers here on health and wellness, so we talk all things mindset, fitness, nutrition, which is the trifecta that Triple Threat Lifestyle really focuses in on. So I was happy to be able to share some inspirational health hacks with the group today, hopefully things that they can implement into their wellness regimen, and then hopefully if they need a coach, they can come and contact me to help hold them accountable along their journey.
I believe I heard someone say over and over again, we have these self-limiting beliefs. So for me, I'm walking out of here today with take the limits off. I was literally cutting out pictures and I kept thinking, oh, can I really achieve that? Can I really do that? And then I said to myself, wait a minute, anything is possible.
For me, it starts with the mindset, knowing that I can, and then it's action. Because I've told several of the ladies, you can make a vision board all day long. But if when you're done with it, it goes in the trunk of your car or you put it up and then you never take action, then we're not going to realize our vision.
These candles are aromatherapy candles, and each one comes with an affirmation card. So I want people to be empowered and inspired, and just because, the pandemic, it just brought everything down, right? We were isolated from our family, we were isolated from our friends, and so I just want people to be empowered and inspired. So that's what kind of brought about this candle line. You pull out that information, you burn your candle, you say it with intention 3 times, and then that should change your energy as you go through each day.
My word today was intentional, being intentional with all that we are doing today to make sure that we're accomplishing those dreams and those visions for the future. And I'm here because I want to just make sure I solidify the fact that women, we are powerful, women, we can do all things, that we put our minds to it. And when we collaborate in events like this and we encourage one another, then we are going to get where we want to go.